Happy St. Patrick's Day. So, in today's episode of Adventures with Hobbs, we're going green. I don't know. Anyway, we're going green. So we're going to the ponds. We can't use nothing but green-based baits, like green-based. So y'all asked for it. We're giving the wife a chance to redeem herself. Everybody said there needs to be a rematch. There needs to be a rematch. So today's rematch. 1v1. Green versus green. So let's get it.
All right. Green versus green. What you sporting there, babe?
Bass Reaper.
Bass Reaper baits. We got our Bass Reaper baits. Green jerseys on. She got her green leggings on. Are we gonna go biggest or the most?
You got a coin?
Yeah.
Let's flip.
All right, you flip, or you call it.
Let's say heads for the biggest, tails for the most.
It is tails. So the most fish wins. Y'all drop it in the comments. Go ahead right now. Go ahead and tell me who you think is going to win this challenge today, guys. We're going straight after the win. Oh, there we go. There's the first one. Oh, nope. I spoke too soon. All right, so well, I broke off. She left me. I hope y'all can hear me. It's super windy. She over here catching fish. I had to retie everything. Hold on. All right, I'm over there retying. She's over here catching fish, y'all. Check it out. Good job, babe. Where'd you catch it at?
As soon as it hit.
Huh?
As soon as it hit.
As soon as it hit the water?
Yep.
Heck yeah. It's super windy out here. Like when we thought about this challenge, we was like, we walked outside, it wasn't windy. We got out here. Oh, there we go. There's one. 1-to-1. Well, I ain't gonna say that yet. I gotta get him through all this grass. Okay, now it's 1-to-1. Whew. He wasn't coming off. He demolished it. There you go. 1-to-1. Oh, she done got another one. Oh, it's a big one. Keep it tight. Don't do all that fancy stuff. Keep it up tight. Thank you. There you go. 2-to-1.
Size don't matter though.
That's right. That little one right there can win it all.
They're so cute.
2-to-1. Oh my goodness. Fall off, fall off. Oh. She got 3. I'm over here pulling my pole. I'm over here in the bushes now. She got 3-to-1, y'all. Check her out. Heck yeah. I gotta tighten my game. I was just talking about I might be swapping baits, but I don't know.
Good job, babe.
He double hooked. He wasn't coming out. Hey, that's 2. Again, size don't matter in this game. Thank you, buddy, for playing. What's the score, babe?
3-2.
Yeah, I didn't hear you.
3-2.
3-2, my way.
My way.
Oh, there we go. Stay on. I'll take it. What's the score? 3-3. Thank you, buddy, for playing.
Fish missed my bait.
That's what I did over there. He come just turned on. Look at that. Is that your bait or? Holy cow.
Dang it.
She just tried to set the hook by hitting me with the oh, he just hit. Throw it back out there. He said he just hit mine too. Her line was just a little bit to the right of me. Oh, look at that. I watched that thing come up and hit it. Holy cow, I watched that thing swim up to your bait and hit it.
That's pretty cool, wasn't it?
Huh?
That's pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah. Like I sat there and watched him come from the side. There you go. Look at his learn something. There you go.
Good job, buddy. Thank you.
I just turned the camera off. Come on, you gotta stay on. 4-4. 4-4.
No.
He wasn't coming off. 4-4. Thank you, buddy. Listen, y'all.
Go ahead, tell him.
Huh?
Tell him.
Do what?
Go ahead, tell him.
So I was standing where I was at. He was right on the bridge of the nose. He wasn't coming off. Stand where I was at, and this is 5, so it's 5-4. Anyway, y'all, so I was standing literally like right there, and I threw out, and my wife was standing where I was at. And that fish hit, and I went to set the hook, and I about tore her head off. Keep it up, there you go. She answered back.
He just gave up.
Oh, he done gave up. She done skinned him across the water. He gave up. 5-5. She's answering. Good job. Oh, he come off. She over there catching fish and not, you don't have to reel it all the way up. She over there catching fish and not saying nothing. I shouldn't even put it on camera.
Well, I know he was busy.
Well, you could still say something. What's that?
6-5.
Yep. Everybody wants this rematch. I'm just showing them a rematch. She's kicking my tail right now.
Got one.
There you go, 7-5. Probably the one that come after mine right here. Yep, that one's him.
Good job, babe.
7-6. Coming back kid. 7-6. There it is. Thank you, buddy, for playing. It's 7. What is it? 7-6. 7-6 right now. Oh, I'm just playing. It's 7-6, and we only brought one GoPro battery. Babe.
What?
Why do you suppose people from the bank fish they throw out, right?
Yeah.
People on the boat they throw to the bank.
Yeah. Jeez, Janice. The air is in your house.
Hold on, don't even do it. Don't even.
So, this is the first for me. I thought I had a bite and it was a stick, so I set the hook. Show them where the hook's at right now. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Definitely not in the fish's mouth. Yeah. I expect that from like somebody fishing beside me or something, but for me to do it to myself. Again, hope you're having a blessed day. And if you're being blessed, bless somebody else that can't be blessed, or bless somebody else that ain't blessed. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short little video. We was out about an hour, and off camera, we ended up catching quite a few more. We probably caught what? Probably 20 something bass today. Yeah, so we caught about 20 something bass today. So anyway, thank y'all for encouraging us to do another 1v1. Y'all don't forget, check out Bass Reaper Baits. They got some pretty sweet clothing, pretty fire baits. Don't forget about my boys at fishgear.com. Use code HOBS10, save 10%. God bless you. Thank y'all so much. Till then.
See you on the next adventure.
Well, the challenge is over, man. But that's all right. It's a fish. Thank you, buddy. Huh?
I know we're not doing it. This is like fish time today.
Yep.